Hey, welcome back to Bear Squared. On this channel, we simplify educational tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how Eddie Wu records his YouTube videos. So there is a link in the description below. You can see he's done a tutorial on it. I'm just going to elaborate a little bit just to show you a hands-on and how it's done. So let's go ahead and crack on with this. I don't need the magic keyboard. However, I do need my iPad. I'm going to be using an iPhone here, like this. You obviously want to record audio. So in order for me to record audio, I'm going to need one of these Lightning to 3.5 headphone jack adapters. So we can plug this in. Now from here, it's really up to you how you want to connect. But Eddie Wu, he uses a wireless transmitter. So he uses these Rode wireless Go's. And I'm going to quickly go ahead and show you. What you need for that is you need a TRS to TRRS. The gray part goes in the phone. And then this connects to my transmitter. And then that way I get a wireless audio signal recorded on the phone. Now, if you don't have something like this, don't worry. You can just use the standard set of headphones. They would work perfectly fine, okay? So standard set headphones. But this is exactly what Eddie Wu uses, so I'm going to go ahead and use that as well. You need some type of tripod to hold up your phone. I'm going to put it in this way. Although Eddie Wu does put it this way, and it's probably better because you get a longer frame, I'm just going to go ahead and stick it in like so. I think that's fine. Now I need a receiver. This is my audio receiver, so I'm going to turn this on, and I'm going to clip this to my shirt. So while I'm talking, the audio is being received. So I'm going to go ahead and clip that to my shirt. Now on your iPad, what you want to do is you want to go to whatever the lesson is that you're teaching. Eddie Wu uses Notability. Okay, he uses Notability to record his lessons. I've actually stopped using Notability. If you're interested why, then I'll link a video to why I use GoodNotes instead of Notability. So we're going to create our lesson on the same platform that Eddie Wu's using. So let's pretend we're doing some type of data analysis here. We're looking for distributions. Let's do it freehand. Okay, in order to start the recording, you need to come down here and you need to start the recording. If you don't have this record button, then you need to go to settings, go to control center, and then make sure that screen recording is enabled here, yeah? If it's not there, it's probably down in the list in more controls. You'll find screen recording and add it, and then you'll have your screen recording. When you start screen recording, you want to hold down this button and make sure you turn on the microphone. So look at this, turn it on, turn it off, turn it on, turn it off. So I want to turn on the microphone so I can sync the audio from my iPhone and my iPad. Let's go ahead and start recording here, and we'll start recording there. So I'm going to go ahead and press start record. I'll press start record. And now we can go back to Notability, and then so on and so on and so on. And remember, everything that I type, I write, I move, it all is recorded. So if I want to pick this up, I don't want to move it, I can move that. So remember, everything that I'm doing here is getting recorded. Now, when I'm ready to stop the lesson, all I need to do is stop my recording on the iPad. Stop, and I'll stop the recording here. And now I have two files, one with my face cam, because it's very important to engage with the audience, and one with my screen recording. So here we go. What I'm going to do is I'm going to transfer this file to the iPad. So I'm going to go ahead and press on share and next, and I'll share it with my AirDrop. So I'm going to go ahead and AirDrop this. So here we go, we receive the file from the iPhone. So we no longer need the iPhone now. What we can do, we'll open up iMovie, because iMovie is free, and that's what he was using. So go ahead and open up iMovie. We'll create a new project. So go ahead and click on new project, new movie. Let's go ahead and create movie. And now we want to bring in, on our timeline, we want to go to video. You want to bring in the base video, which was the recording. It was the screen recording. So we'll go ahead and add the screen recording first. Go ahead and add that. So there you go. I've got my tutorial, I've got my screen recording. And at the same time, I want to add my face cam. Now the face cam is not the same as just adding it in. You don't want to press on add. You want to go to the three dots and you want to go picture in picture. So this is how he does it. He adds the picture in picture. Now with the face cam, it's obviously in the way. And so let's make the size smaller. We'll go ahead and move this where we need to move it, but we'll make it smaller. So maybe I want to put it there. So we want to sync the audio for the face cam as well as the screen recording. If you can't see the waveform, then just click on this waveform button and you'll see the waveform here. And then for this face cam, if you select the face cam, you can detach audio and then you can start to sync this audio. You can start syncing to see where it is that you're talking. So I can see there, it's actually in sync. So what I can do is I'm going to delete one of the audios. I'm going to go ahead and delete the audio for the screen recording. I'll go ahead and detach audio and I'll go ahead and delete that audio. So I've got one audio file and that audio file is from my wireless receiver, okay? This wireless audio file. Again, don't worry if you've just got headphones and use your headphones. As close as you can get your headphones, the better the audio is going to sound. Now, once I'm ready with this, I'm happy with this. This is my file. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to press on done. And then from this, I can go ahead and I'm going to send it to save video. Once that video exports, I can upload it to YouTube. Thank you for watching. I hope that was helpful. And as always, I'll catch you in the next one.